holiday lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something super fun. We're turning the Grinch from a grumpy green villain into the fluffiest, cutest Christmas icon you've ever seen. That's right, folks. We're giving the Grinch a holiday makeover that's going to make him the fluffiest thing on your Christmas tree.
So, I recently stumbled across these adorable soft Grinch plushies online. You know, the kind that make you go, "Oh, I need one." And then I thought, Bożena, you're crafty. You can totally make one yourself. How hard can it be?
You ready to make some holiday magic? Let's get started. Okay, let's talk Grinch. Right now, he's got that classic grumpy look, and while we love a good villain, we're going to fluff him up and add some holiday sparkle. First, we need to prep our base. Whether you've got a Grinch figure or a wireframe, we're going to start by giving him that soft, fluffy body he's been missing. We're using this fluffy stuffing to give him that super soft, squishy look, because every Christmas character deserves to feel like a cozy pillow, right? Now, let's make that famous Grinch face, but with a twist. We're giving him a fun twist, not the grumpy twist. I'm using polymer clay to sculpt his big, mischievous eyes, a cute little nose, and a wide, cheeky grin. I mean, look at those cheeks. He's going to be a softie by the end of this. I'm keeping his mischievous expression because, come on, it's the Grinch. But we're giving him a look that says, I may have stolen Christmas once, but I'm totally here to hug it now.
Ah, the holidays. That magical time of year when you bring a beautiful live spruce tree into your living room and then watch your cat try to destroy it daily. Nothing says Merry Christmas like a cat swinging from the ornaments while the dog snacks on the lights you just spent an hour arranging. And gifts? Every year it's the same story. You promise yourself you won't go overboard, but somehow even the dog and the houseplant end up with presents. The holidays are the only time we spend a fortune just to watch kids, and sometimes adults, tear through wrapping paper like wild animals, only to save the boxes, because they might come in handy. You know, every year I relate more and more to the Grinch. I mean, he was just living peacefully on his mountain, minding his own green business, and suddenly he's expected to love Christmas cheer. Honestly, can we blame him? Endless caroling, glitter everywhere, people just too happy all the time. It's a lot to handle. And let's not forget, the Grinch really did everyone a favor with his minimalist holiday decor. Imagine not having to put up a single decoration because he borrowed them all. Genius! Honestly, maybe he was just ahead of his time, practicing early Marie Kondo principles by removing things that didn't spark his joy. But really, the Grinch had it figured out. He didn't need presents, sparkly lights, or endless desserts. Well, okay, maybe I'd keep the desserts. But he showed us it's the little things that make the holidays meaningful. Like when your heart grows 3 sizes from a great cup of cocoa. Or because you saw someone else clean up.
Okay. Now it's time to bake our Grinch face and make it hard as a rock. Well, not literally. It'll just be nice and firm. Once it's baked, we'll give it some shading to make the features pop. See how those shadows give the Grinch that extra cheeky look? I swear he's already looking like a soft little holiday hug just waiting to happen.
I picked out this gorgeous cloud-like fabric that looked perfect. But as soon as I made the first cut, I realized I had made a terrible mistake. That fabric shed everywhere, in the air, on me, in my nose, my mouth. Even my Shih Tzu ended up looking like a Christmas-themed dust bunny. But I wasn't going to let a little fluff defeat me. I soldiered on, stitched the body together, mostly by feel, because I couldn't see through the flying fuss, and stuffed it with synthetic beads. Oh, and those beads? They had one goal: escape. I found them in my socks, my tea, and, I kid you not, in my ear.
Now, what's a Christmas Grinch without the perfect accessory? Let's add a festive scarf to make him even more winter ready. Look at that. He's so ready for the holiday season. That scarf just adds the perfect touch of Christmas charm, and here he is, the fluffiest Grinch you've ever seen. He's cute, cozy, and totally ready to spread some Christmas cheer.
The result?
Nailed it!
My Grinch looks like he just survived a blizzard and had a very awkward encounter with a Christmas tree. But you know what? He's mine. Quirky, unique, and full of character. The moral of this story? If you're still finding fluff in weird places a week later, it means you really gave it your all. I want to send a huge thank you to my amazing daughter Victoria for preparing those delicious treats for my Grinch. Your creativity and the love you put into everything you do made sure that Grinch had a truly special snack. Not only did you help create the magic, but you also added even more sweetness to this whole adventure. Thank you for always being there for me, ready to help with a smile on your face.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, everyone. If you had as much fun as I did turning this Grinch into a fluffy Christmas star, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. And don't forget, if you want exclusive behind-the-scene access to all my craft adventures, come join me on Patreon.